Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Bradley YT, and welcome back to another video. And basically I'm going to do another update on Bitcoin and XRP. I'm going to try and make it a very quick one, but basically this is just an update on the video that I made yesterday. I was right again. I did post it on Twitter to say that I was, but basically on Bitcoin on the 45-minute chart, we've come up and we've retested $30,500, just like I said in yesterday's video, and I was pretty much bang on. But we actually broke through and hit about $30,700. So yeah, we're looking okay for Bitcoin at this moment in time. RSI and MACD is not looking too bad on the 45-minute chart, but basically we've broken out of this bearish flag pattern here, and we've come up. Basically this green candle here, we've basically done this pump and we broke out of this bearish flag pattern. We have sort of been rejected a little bit, and we're probably we're basically just trying to retest this resistance level, and we're trying to break through, but it doesn't seem to be happening at this moment in time. But we are in some sort of ascending channel basically at the moment. If we move over to the hourly chart on Bitcoin, so we basically broke out of this bearish flag pattern, and we did what I said we would do. And I made this video yesterday at about, it was about 10 o'clock, so it was about here. So I basically did it as soon as this bearish flag pattern started, basically. And I said that we should probably start trading sideways for a bit, and then as soon as we break out, then we should be retesting the $30,500 level, which we did. So make sure you're watching these videos. Make sure you go and watch my video yesterday. But yeah, just make sure you're just watching my videos, guys, because I seem to be right at the moment quite a lot of the times. A few people tell me that they like my analysis as well, so just make sure you're watching, just keep up to date, click that bell notification, and then you're sorted, aren't you, really? So yeah, at the moment, if we quickly, so basically we're in sort of some ascending channel. Something like this. Something like that, basically. If we do break towards the upside, then we should be breaking out to around, depending on where we break out. This is the thing, but as long as we sort of come up and retest this resistance level here, then we should be fine. But if we do break out, then we'll probably be coming up to about $30,900, and then we'll be coming out to retest the next resistance level. So as soon as we break out of here, we'll sort of just try and come up here and retest these levels here of about $31,100 again. But we are looking okay. We're not looking too bearish at the moment. We're not looking too bad on the RSI and the MACD on the 1 hour chart, and we are just slowly going up in this ascending channel at the moment. But if basically the worst case scenario would be that we get rejected from this resistance level here of $30,500, and we basically come back down and retest this support level here of $29,500. That's worst case scenario if we break out of this ascending channel. Let's head towards the 4-hourly chart. 4-hourly chart, we are looking good. We are about to tick bullish on the 4-hourly chart, so I would expect that we would break through this resistance level here and start to come up to retest the next resistance level of $31,100. If you look down here on the RSI, we are about to tick bullish, and if we, oh, what's going on there? Why am I moving that? It's not letting me move the MACD. So yeah, basically on the MACD, the red line sort of about here, so it will probably come up and tick bullish on the MACD as well. So as soon as this happens, then we should be breaking towards the upside. The upside potential basically would probably be this candle here, possibly. So if we do break out and we tick bullish, then we should be in for another pump to the upside. So the next sort of green candle would be coming up to retest $31,100, and then we'll try to come up to retest these levels up here of 31,800 and potentially break through and come up to what we did here last time and retest $32,200. So that could be what would happen in the next, basically by around tomorrow time. So basically like the next green candle. So once this candle stops in about an hour and a half, and we do tick bullish, then we should be seeing a nice pump towards the upside, and we should be retesting. Basically, we need to retest the $31,100 level first, and if we don't get rejected at this level, then we should continue towards the upside to 31,800, and then potentially break through that a little bit more to 32,200. So let's head towards the daily and see what the daily's looking like. Daily's looking fine, not looking bearish. MACD's looking fine as well. Slowly getting some volume in. We have created another bearish flag pattern on the daily. Once the new daily candle starts, then we should see what sort of patterns forming. But this is a bearish flag pattern here. If we obviously break through this bearish flag pattern on the daily, then we should be breaking towards the upside. If we get this big green candle here, which is what the pump potential would be, and put it up here, if we break through the bearish flag pattern, then we should be coming up to retest $33,700. So that's the target on the daily. If we do break out of this bearish flag pattern that we currently are in on the daily chart, that is the upside potential. So let's get the ruler and measure the potential pump towards the upside. Let's get the ruler. So the potential increase of Bitcoin would be about 10%. If we do break through this bearish flag pattern that we're currently in. I need to adjust my charts because they are very, very messy and you can't really see what's going on. But basically, yeah, we are in a bearish flag pattern on the daily. But as soon as we break towards the upside potential for this breakout would be around these levels here of $33,700. That is the prediction at the moment. If we do break out the bearish flag, if we break towards a downside on the bearish flag pattern on the daily, then that would be very, very nasty. We should be breaking towards the downside and sort of retesting $27,000. So we really don't want to be breaking down towards the downside here. We just want to be trading sideways in these levels here and then break out towards the upside. That is obviously the ideal scenario that we would like. But who knows what's going to actually happen. But the likelihood for me is that we are going to break towards the upside from this, because on the MACD down here, we are about to tick bullish on the MACD on the daily. As soon as we do that, we're going to do what we have previously done, and we're going to pump very hard towards the upside. My target is $40,500, but it could be bigger than that, or it could be a little bit smaller than that. But $40,500 for me is very doable still. I reckon by the end of this year, again, we could get up to about between $50,000 to $60,000 Bitcoin. It's still possible. But let's head towards XRP. XRP is basically hit what I said it would do again. So we broke out this bearish flag pattern. Basically, it was in the same sort of pattern as Bitcoin. We broke towards the upside, and we've obviously continued up to 40 cents. So I do feel like we should be trying to retest this next resistance level here of 42 cents. Well, 41.5 cents. So yeah, we're looking fine on the RSI. We're looking fine on the daily, the MACD, and yeah. So the upside potential, was it that? No, it was that candle. So basically, we've come up initially to what I said we would, about 40 cents, and then we've broke out a bit further to about 40.5 cents. The hourly chart's looking fine on the RSI and the MACD, and we are obviously in some sort of also what I did see is that we formed a small inverse head and shoulders pattern here on XRP, and the pump to the upside was this small green candle here. So once you got to the right shoulder, once you had formed the right shoulder, that was the next sort of pump towards the upside there. So that was just a small inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is obviously a bullish movement. But yeah, we are in a channel, an ascending channel towards the upside on XRP here. So obviously we're just going to continue to go up, hopefully. If we do break towards the upside here, then the upside potential would probably be this green candle here. So the next sort of candle would be, the next sort of candle would start there, and we should be coming up to about 41 cents and then breaking out, and then basically coming up to retest this level here of 41.5 cents. Let's move to the 4-hourly chart. So the 4-hourly chart's looking lovely. So basically we are about to tick bullish on the RSI and the MACD for XRP as well. Obviously XRP does follow what Bitcoin does, so we are about to have a pump towards the upside. Let me just move these yellow candles here. So basically the pump towards the upside will be this here. So then the next candle, once the hour and, when does this 4-hourly chart end? In about an hour and a half. So once the new candle starts, which it should be around here in the next hour and a half, I don't think the price movement should be too much. But once we tick bullish down here on the RSI and the MACD, then we should be moving towards the upside and basically coming up to retest this resistance level here. Once we get that bullish movement, then we should be breaking up towards the upside, and we should be coming up to about 41.5 to 42 cents. So that's it for XRP. If we go to the daily, again on the daily, let me just move this. So on the daily for XRP, once this daily candle closes, then we know that this is a confirmed bearish pattern, bearish flag pattern. So obviously let me just tell you the break towards the upside potential. So the pump towards the upside potential could be around 43 to 44 cents for XRP. If we obviously broke towards the downside, which is what we do not want it to do, but if it does do that, then we should be, where does that red candle start? So the break towards the downside, if we do break out of this bearish flag pattern on the daily for XRP, then it wouldn't be very nice at all. We'll be breaking through these two support levels here and here, and we should be probably coming down to about 35 cents. So I obviously wouldn't want that to happen. The dailies are looking fine. We're not looking bearish. So hopefully we should just be trading sideways between these two levels here and breaking out towards the upside and potentially coming back to around 43 to 44 cents. So that's it for today. Make sure you guys check out my previous video that I made yesterday, just to prove that I was basically right today on the analysis from yesterday for Bitcoin. My analysis has been spot on for the last few days. Well, basically since I've been making these videos, pretty much. I've been doing very well. So just slap a like on it. Make sure you guys subscribe. Click that bell notification as well to make sure you do get the video updates, to let you know that I've made a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I shall see you guys tomorrow. Peace.